Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Brita Large Water Filter Pitcher, BPA-Free Water Pitcher, replaces 1,800 plastic water bottles a year, lasts 2 months or 40 gallons, includes 1 filter, 10-cup capacity, bright white. The BPA-Free Everyday Water Pitcher with filter holds 10 cups of water, enough to fill 3 24-ounce reusable water bottles. Product reservoir and lid may vary. Get great tasting water without the waste. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles a year, 16.9 Oz water, based on IRI data, versus tap. This space-efficient Brita pitcher fits perfectly on refrigerator shelves, features an easy-fill locking lid and is easy to pour. Height 10.47 inch, width 5.59, length/depth 10.94, weight 2.29 pounds. Brita is the #1 water. Thanks for watching and subscribe.